Morning. It's Friday morning. Just the sun come up, and a lot of time in the morning then I do some physical work. Today I could bring some shit from the animals what I kicked last week outside of the stables. I can bring that outside of the on the big pile where I put everything from the shit. I do that in the morning. Two reasons. First, it is not yet so hot, but then I can open the gate and sheep and the goats not run out and eat all my trees. Only the chicken I will kick out. Now I can take there and there, put it there on the pile, and that's it.
Morning. Little one. Yeah. He's got.
Trailer what I last summer make to drive the wood is not only good for wood. I find out with a little bit improvisatie. He's hanging too and can drive him up. It's only 50 meters, but too heavy for my alone. He must only go there to the workplace. It's only 50 meters or something. I'm busy for the summer. Cherry tomatoes. Tankers, that's something to eat. Here I have some flour, and this one I must still seed, but that will be herbs. There is already flowers. The raspberries is already green, the others still not. I can see the start, but not yet green. Forest start to be green. That's already the first cherry. The cherry can start earlier. I have more, but only there is in the morning, early in the morning sun. I think that's why he's earlier. This tree here is also cherry. I have here some pink. I don't know if you can see that, but here's pink. That is something of peach. But on the back side there is an apple and a cherry. And you have there in the far away the white. It's also generic. Next of it there is also a big cherry. Today I go clean the workplace. There is some dirt what come in the winter time down. I clean, but there is some beton fondatie already, and the floor we want to fix it on it. Dus I must clean the beton what is already there on the fondatie. I must really good clean.